In this video I'm going to show you how to unlock your Facebook account or if your Facebook account has been locked. So first what you want to do is open up your browser and type in Facebook support. Then click on Facebook Help Center and it should open up the app. But the problem is, if you have been locked out, you will get to a specific page that says you have been locked out of your account, and then you just need to follow on-screen instructions, like they will ask you for your email, potentially password, phone number, any sensitive information that they can use to actually know that this is you. They can unlock your account, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.